idea right now. What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. We are halfway through to rebuilding our 2023 Nissan Z. Actually, we're about halfway through taking it apart first. We're still gonna need to take apart the lower skirt, the quarter panel. We're gonna need to take out the seat and a whole bunch of other things. A lot of stuff coming in this next video. We got new parts coming in. Hopefully we'll be able to drift it by the end of this video. I don't know, we'll see. Stick around to find out. We're gonna need to take off a whole bunch more things that I didn't expect. And we're also gonna take off this awful wrap. I know some people love it. I hate it. But before we start on all of that, we got new parts. Check out the size of this quarter panel. From the dealer, this thing ran us $1,700. Absolutely insane. However, with the dealer discount, we got 1,400 bucks. Next, we were able to get some used parts. Surprisingly, I was able to find a mirror. This mirror cover alone, I think was about $170. And then the mirror itself, total, I think was like $500. I was able to cop this one for about $300 right here. And then we also got a roof airbag. This roof airbag costs about $1,200 from the dealer. We were able to get it for $396. This right-hand passenger door, we were able to cop from the dealer for $1,070. Brand spanking new, bare bones with absolutely no electronics, nothing. 1,000 bucks for a piece of metal. In there we have the glass for the car. Not gonna take it out, but that glass, just for this one door, $400. Next, we got this handle from the dealer. Kind of crazy, it came in painted already, which is weird. All the other parts obviously come unpainted, but it has this little button here. We got this baby for $200. Dang, they got a whole metal tray. Oh, what the heck? I'm so confused. Well, if you can see, there's a seat airbag in there. It's a little, there we go. That's like nails on a chalkboard. Seat airbag, $586. Okay, this is that new A-pillar molding. And by the looks of it, it actually looks like it came in painted. This new molding right here, $822. $822. I'm sorry, that is way more than what it should be for a piece of plastic that goes around the A-pillar. That thing should be like 200 bucks max. And finally, we got the front bumper. Always want to make sure you check all the parts when they just come in, because a lot of times parts will come in damaged when you don't buy them from the dealer. Thankfully, since everything's from the dealer, it looks like they took good care of it. This is when I played myself, because as smart as I was sounding in the video, I didn't actually check over the whole front bumper, and it turned out to have a lot of damage on the bumper. So we had to contact the dealer, they had to order a new bumper, and we had to return this one and get it all swapped out. So if you're ever rebuilding a car, please do yourself a favor, check all the parts the day they come in. But when parts come in, always make sure to open up all the parts, look through them, see if they're damaged, contact the seller right away. Looks like in this case, we don't have any damaged parts, so we're good to go. And this one front bumper, $726. So this is what the numbers are looking like. We bought the car for $24,000, winning bid. Auction fees for the car, $1,700. Astronomical. Delivery to get it from Missouri to Minnesota, $500. Now, because of the delivery driver's mess up, I spent about 5 hours of my time to get the car from here to Copart and get the car on my trailer. Not counting all of that, not counting time, the cost to make a new key, $410. $410 we shouldn't have spent. And all in all right now, for parts, we are $6,025 deep. Now this number, probably gonna go up because I just realized there's a couple other pieces that are not bought. There's some brackets and some little things that we need to buy. Now this is not counting frame and paint work along with resetting the seat belts, the airbags and all that type of stuff. So what we're at cost-wise right now, $32,733. The budget goal is $36,000. If we can build this car under $36,000, it's 100% gonna be worth it. Currently right now, these cars are selling about $55,000 with the performance package around this mileage. There's not many of them out there because this car is so new. However, with the salvage title, we're gonna adjust to that. Let's say if we could sell the car for $43,000, $44,000, we'll make about $9,000 to $10,000 profit. That would be amazing. So currently we're at $32,000 with cost, before paint, before frame, before anything. As the numbers go up, we'll come back to the board. I'm amazed at the craftsmanship, or actually lack of craftsmanship, on this car. Look at how sloppy all of the seam sealer welds are. It's all just so sloppy. Everything. And on that side, other side, it was really bad too. But just like seeing the little amount of care that's put into this car off the line is really sad. We have to disassemble the rear end in order for the body shop to be able to get to the quarter panel and take it off. So we're just taking all these panels off so that they don't charge us and don't break any panels if they were to do it themselves. Broke a couple of clips there, but not a big deal. So we just pull off the tail light, pull off the rear bumper, and she's pretty much ready to go. Figured while we have the wheel off the car, we have to get the wheel fixed. If you guys remember, there's some pretty nasty gashes in this wheel right here. And so I think what we'll do, I mean, there's some scuffs all around. Nothing major here, but that's the biggest guy right there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna bring it to this wheel shop, hope that they can fix it, because I really would hate to have to buy a different set of wheels for this car.
Gosh dang, this is a big tire.
The wheel repair is not bad. $150 on the wheel repair and $150 on the powder coat. However, the colors are a little bit off. Looks like the previous owner powder coated and it's not a common color. So we kind of found the color that would match best to the wheel. I gave Nissan a call just to check it out. These wheels are actually not aftermarket. They are the stock wheels that come with the 400Z. You guys, the price is absurd. $1,100 for one wheel for a Nissan. I was like, what? So we're definitely not getting new wheels. We're gonna get this fixed. The shop said that they're about 2-3 weeks out. So we're gonna take the wheel back, throw it back onto the car so we can get the car over to the frame shop and the paint shop. We'll get it all fixed up, and then after everything is done, we'll get the wheel back here and we'll get it fixed. This car had the airbags deployed, which means the seatbelts locked up. So we had to pull those out, which was a bit of a process. This plastic piece here was actually cracked, so we're gonna have to buy a brand new one from the dealer. But eventually we were able to pull it out and work on the other side here. I've taken off many of these seatbelts before, but this is the first time I've ever seen the actual clip right there unplugged from the seatbelt. It's supposed to be plugged in right there, and it's not. And it's so weird because it's on both sides. It was like that. It's almost as if someone's already been in here and deliberately unclipped them. I mean, the seatbelts for sure don't work, but that's just so odd that the fact that they're unclipped. I don't know. I wonder if it's like some safety feature that they pop out. It's not supposed to be like that, but either way, I'm trying to get this plastic piece out, and it looks like it's sitting underneath this pillar, and I don't want to take it out, so we're just going to leave that in here. Next, we're going to be working on the roof, which is going to be a lot of fun. This car is already becoming unrecognizable, the amount of panels taken off, but you know, this is just part of the process. All right, the airbag is in, the headliner is in, car is looking mint. Now, before we take off the wrap, we're gonna take this car for a spin. First time on the road. Maybe we'll go do some donuts. Let's see how this thing goes. sounds so insane because we have like nothing on the car.
What was that?
I don't know what that was. Drifting might not be a good idea right now. It smells kind of bad. I tried like doing the paddle shifter, but it like it didn't go. Oh my gosh, dude. This car rips. It sounds so good. I am so excited. Now, once this car gets done, it's gonna be insane. It sounds amazing. The turbo noises, the exhaust has insane power, slips no problem. Oh my word, dude. All right, well, let's get it back to the shop. Get it ready for the frame shop. Smells like burnt tires now. Man, this car is gonna be amazing. Dude, I'm blown away. The amount of power this car has, like you can hear the turbos, the intake and everything. Oh, it is perfect. That was absolutely insane. This car rips like crazy. This is gonna be a good place to end the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like, feel free to subscribe. Next video, we're gonna be pulling off this wrap, getting it on the frame rack and getting it painted. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.